If you don't have a garage, your car will be exposed to the elements when not in use. Regular exposure to direct sunlight as well as rain and other harsh weather conditions can take their toll. Before you know it, your car paint could become faded and chipped, making your vehicle look old and worn. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best car covers in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Bludge Dura 3-layer car cover. If you have taken the trouble to cover your car, you want to make sure that the cover stays firmly in place. If the cover is not attached correctly, it could be swept away when the wind blows. Fortunately, the Bludge Dura 3-layer car cover boasts an innovative design that prevents this from happening. This model is set with a full elastic hem that helps to hold the cover firmly in place. These are combined with a series of metal grommets. These allow you to tie down the cover in windy conditions for enhanced protection from the elements. You are sure to appreciate the fact that this car cover is so light and soft. This helps to make it easy to put on and take off again. However, the lightness of the material may mean that it tears rather easily. The Bludge Dura 3-layer car cover comes complete with a 5-year warranty to provide peace of mind. The construction boasts 3 layers of spun-bond polypropylene. This helps to make the overall construction much stronger than it appears to be at first glance. The material is non-abrasive, so you will not have to worry about your car paintwork becoming scratched. Not only is the material 100% waterproof, but it is also fully breathable. It provides protection against dust, dirt, and UV rays without harming your paintwork in any way. Number 2. Classic Accessories OverDrive Polypro. If you are leaving your vehicle behind while you travel, you will need to make sure the paintwork is protected. Even when parked in a garage, your paintwork could get marred by dust and dirt. Although traditional car covers keep dirt at bay, they can be prone to mold and mildew. This will not be an issue if you choose the Classic Accessories OverDrive Polypro sedan car cover. This innovative model has been made of breathable material. This prevents condensation from building under the cover in hot and humid conditions and keeps the cover fresh and dry. An elastic hem runs around the bottom of this cover to help to hold it firmly in place. This also makes the cover especially easy to install. Simply stretch it over your car, and the elastic will make sure that the fit of the cover is snug. Extra protection is provided by the grommets that are set into the bottom. On a windy day, you will be able to tie the cover down to provide extra protection. This is also a good way to deter thieves if you are forced to park in a questionable area. When not in use, keeping this cover clean and ready for use will be easy thanks to the special storage bag. As an added bonus, this model comes complete with a 2-year warranty. Number 3. CoukouCover SixLayers car cover waterproof. Do you want to make sure that your car is fully protected when it is parked outside? With its 6 layers of material and enhanced design, this car cover is sure to rise to the challenge. In fact, the CoukouCover SixLayers car cover promises to be one of the most robust car covers around. Not only is it fully windproof, but it is also dustproof, sunproof, and waterproof. However, there is a soft cotton lining that prevents your paintwork from becoming scratched. The seams of this model have been fully reinforced to help prevent water from leaking through during a heavy shower. You are also provided with a bag to place the cover in to keep it clean when it is not in use. Even if the wind is especially strong, you can be sure that this car cover will stay firmly in place. Strong straps have been provided at both the front and back of the car cover. The straps come with a clip and are adjustable so you can attach the cover to the most convenient part of your car. Number 4. Leafu car cover SUV protection cover. Does the idea of parking your car on the street overnight fill you with anxiety? This may be necessary if you are staying overnight with a friend or family member. You need to be sure that your car will be protected from the elements as well as casual thieves. This will no longer be an issue when you own the XCAR breathable dust prevention car cover. This model is set with a series of durable grommets that you can thread the supplied cable lock through, although it is hidden by the hem when attached. This lock prevents your car cover from being lifted up by anyone who passes by. The car cover also features an elastic hem that helps to provide a snug fit for the car cover. Simply stretch the car cover over your vehicle, and the hem will help to hold it down. This prevents dust and dirt from being blown underneath the cover on windy days. The material of this car cover is breathable to help prevent your car from becoming too hot or damp. The air is able to circulate through the material, which also prevents mold and mildew from growing. However, the top of the cover boasts enhanced UV protection to prevent your paintwork from fading. Number 5. Bludge Light Car Cover Dirtproof. At first glance, this car cover may look rather basic. However, the Budge UB0 Light Indoor Dustproof UV-resistant cover boasts a number of innovative features. It is lightweight and breathable, which allows air to flow through the fabric to prevent mildew from forming. A series of security grommets have been built into the design of the fabric. These grommets allow you to pass a lock through them to protect your car from theft while parking at night. You can also tie down the cover with the grommets to prevent the cover from blowing away on a windy day. The lightweight spun-bond polypropylene material is soft and will not scratch your paintwork. However, it provides a protective layer between your vehicle and the elements. If dirt and debris falls from a tree, you can be sure that the impact will not affect your car. You are also provided with a moderate amount of protection from UV rays and rain. An antenna patch has been built into the design to provide a tight seal around the antenna. You are also treated to a high-quality storage bag that makes it easy to take the car cover on road trips. The fact that this model is only made of one layer of material may initially give you cause for concern. However, the material is reinforced with double-stitched seams to help make it durable. While you will need to take extra care when removing it, this car cover is sure to last quite a while. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.